A very warm welcome to the 16th Foundation Day lecture of the ICFAI Foundation for Higher Education. May I now request Madam Srimati N. Shobharani Yashasvi Garu, Chairperson ICFAI Society, Shri B.R. Shankara Garu, President ICFAI Society, and Dr. S. Vijayalakshmi, Registrar IFHE, to kindly join the dignitaries for the ceremonial lamp lighting. May I now request Professor Padma Bhusan Reddy, Vice Chancellor in charge, ICFAI Foundation for Higher Education, to deliver the welcome address.
Respected Dr. C. Rangarajan, Honorable Chancellor, ICFAI Foundation for Higher Education, the Chief Guest of today's Foundation Day lecture, Dr. D.Nageshwar Reddy, Chairman, AIG Hospitals, on behalf of ICFAI Foundation for Higher Education, Hyderabad, I extend a warm welcome to you, sir, and thank you for gracing this Foundation Day lecture with your presence.
At the outset, I am truly humbled and honored to be a part of this function. Humbled and honored for three reasons. First of all, I am amongst a group of people who have accomplished so much. All the front seat people here are such great accomplishers who achieved so much in life. And to be talking in front of them is to me a privilege. Especially, I think Dr. Rangarajan is somebody who set up the whole economic development in this country, and right from 1990s to now, what we've achieved, a lot is because of his reforms. I think people who have studied it realize that he is the one who is responsible for the economic strength of India today. Thank you very much, sir. It's been an honor to be talking. The second reason is that if you look at the list of previous foundation lecturers, last 15, I couldn't believe that they all came here and gave this talk. So normally, because as doctors, what happens is we are busy with patients, surgeries and so on. We very reluctantly accept to come to for talks because coming here would take half day off, and that's about 100 patients. So when I saw the list of people who spoke before, actually I was humbled that I was actually called. To me, it's a very humbling and honoring experience. The third reason is that as I sit here, what NJSSV Garu has done, I think I'm totally moved. I'm humbled and honored that at a short span of age, 61 years now, present day would be considered very short. At this short span of age, he's accomplished so much, created one of the most outstanding educational institute, not only in our country, in the world. You go anywhere, they'll talk about ICFAI. To have created this in the short span of his life is remarkable. And my only regret is that I didn't know him when he was alive. I didn't have the opportunity to interact with him. Probably I would have been a wiser person if I had done that. So to stand here in his vision and to give this talk for me is a very, very humbling experience. Thank you very much for the opportunity, sir. I am using artificial intelligence from the benefits that we get here. First is the large language models. It's called, of course, one of the examples is ChatGPT. So what these large language models do is, a doctor wants some information or something to be built, it immediately gathers all the information from different search engines and comes out with a simple answer, like he told me how to give this lecture. This is large language models. We do this, and also our medical students, they'll say, okay, this doctor is doing this procedure, what are the complications?
I am Mira, the medical information robot at AIG Hospitals. I am your future healthcare companion and here to change the way we think about healthcare. I have been meticulously designed to assist doctors, empower nurses, and most importantly, ensure that patients receive information in a faster and better way.
Patches which can monitor continuously my glucose. I have a glucose patch continuously monitoring. I have a patch which is continuously monitoring my heart rate and all that. So all these are available. And this now, what happens is, these are now being continuously monitored. See this?
Now I request our Honorable Chancellor, Dr. C. Rangarajan, to deliver the presidential remarks.
Dr. Nageshwar Reddy, Mrs. SSV, and distinguished invitees. As we celebrate the Foundation Day, it is important to recall the services rendered by Mr. SSV in setting up this institution and many other institutions in India.
I request Madam to kindly felicitate our esteemed Chief Guest, Dr. D.Nageshwar Reddy. I now request Madam Srimati N. Shobarani Yashasvi Garu to kindly felicitate our Honorable Chancellor, Dr. C. Rangarajan. Thank you, Madam. Thank you, sir. May I now request Professor S. Vijayalakshmi, Registrar, ICFAI Foundation for Higher Education, to propose the vote of thanks.
On behalf of ICFAI Foundation for Higher Education, I stand here to express sincere gratitude to everyone who made the 16th Foundation Day lecture a resounding success.